Okay, so here we go. We're in Blender. We have our object, whatever it may be. We've got our texture applied to it. We've got all that set up. Right, so now we export as wavefront obj file, right? Okay, we put that obj file as well as its BMP file, right? Okay, these are both very specific and important. Okay, obj, BMP. If you don't have BMP, first create your texture. It's best to do one like this that has all of them on your one image. And then you can then go to a website like this. This one's the most straightforward, doesn't cost anything. 24, it needs to be 24 or less, 256 by 256 or less. Add your image, convert, pops it out, right? Now, you need mm3d, you need to have mm3d.mdo. Now, with both of those obj and bmp right here, same folder, exactly where all this is, you want to open it. You go to your object, look at that, beautiful, right? See, now we have to go here, it's going to be like this, right? We have to delete, make a new one, I'm going to call redstone sword for clarity. Click on this, and choose our bump, gives us it there, beautiful. Next, we go to edit groups, here's our new group, we get our texture, select faces in group, assign faces, add to group, assign faces, the other way. No, yep, it'll go red when it's selected them all, as you saw. Actually, no, scratch that, we have to actually first save as. Now is where we save it as stone sword, or whatever you want it to call it. It'll save it as an mm3d file, right? See, we get mm3d, cool. Now we drag our mm3d over to this, while making sure that we have the BMP here too. It will use the applied BMP that we just did in mm3d to generate a TXR file as well as the MDO. Now we go to Sword of Moonlight's data folder, we go to the object folder, model. Ask for permission if you've got a save to redo, say yep, it's all good. And the next part is we go back a few, we go to Tool, go to Official Tools. Alright, once you go to Official Tools, you go Object Edit, you go down, you go look for our item. Here we go, beautiful. Right, we're going to give the object a name. Again, clarity, normal, go box, and we'll say cube. And I'm happy with that, so we'll go save as. This will generate a profile, so I find it best to generate the profile on the desktop, because if, like me, by default it's installed SoM in your project files, then it has issues with this section and won't give you the file that you need. So if you just name it again, as you like, we now look at our desktop, you'll find the folder file there. Now we cut our PRF, our profile file, and go back to Sword of Moonlight, we go to our profiles file. We paste that, boom. Now if we go back to our object and then profile file, cut the profile that we created from the desktop, place it here, you go back, you open our editor, open our project, continue on as we would to add any other object now to a scene. Find the room, with any luck, if we press S we can scroll through to find stone sword a little sooner. That was quite a bit of alliteration, and then we just name it whatever we would like, stone sword. Now we apply it, we save, we open that map to test. For brevity's sake, we'll go here. We'll go here. And down a little bit. And here. And object. And right at the bottom will be our most recent. We go here. I was hoping it would show up there, but we'll have to see how it looks now. We compile and save. wasn't facing the right way. And there it is.